The next project to put together. Got this from DMC Sidecars in Washington. They had it built, it's custom built, and shipped out. So we got everything on it. It even has the windshield, all nice interior. All the fasteners are on it. Done very well. Alright, so we got everything inside. Got the windshield. This flips up. And then you bolt down. Got the baby bolt down, and then it holds the windshield in place. We got a nice leather seat put in, all carpeting put in, lights. Got all the bracketing. It's gonna go on the Sportster here. Got some bracketing. Got the tire and all the extra bracketing for this specific model. That'll be a project. Got a couple things going on, so I probably won't be able to work on it for probably about 2 or 3 more weeks. So